started, but the video was too long, so I scratched it. So I'm just gonna start over. So what you want to do is layer base. So basically, you want to take a nail tip. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna be able to show you this because I already did it. But you want to take a nail tip like this one. You want to rough it up with a fine grit sanding block without the color on it. So like a blank one. You take this and sand the whole tip down so it's just like dull and not shiny. Then you want that's how I start mine. You don't have to do that. Some people don't. Some people just do it while it's shiny and then put on their gel color. But I always like to rough it up. I feel like that helps it adhere a lot longer and stronger. And then I take my color. Today I'm using white because that's what I used on the picture. I'll show you guys that somewhere on the screen. That's what I used in the picture, so that's what I'm going to use today to show you guys how to do this. Ouch. So then you want to put the white on there. Put it in your LED or your UV lamp for, I use 60 seconds for this brand. But if you use whatever your gel brand tells you, do whatever time your gel brand tells you to do. And then what I do as a trick, so I don't have to buy matte top coat, I use my foundation or base coat from the same brand, and I put it over the white once it's set. And then I'll put a thick coat of that, one thick coat, and then I'll put it under the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm about to sand it and show you guys what I mean. Once it's sanded, it looks like this. Again, dull, you see the difference? It's a lot more dull. And that's what you want. The reason why you put the foundation on there is so that you can have a layer on top of your white, so that if you mess up, you can go back over it and sand it off. Just like I messed this one up, and I'm still able to go over it and sand it off. And it's not messing with the white color. It's not taking off the white color. Or it's just for, just so it'll make the nail a lot thicker and make it, I don't know, that's just how I do it. Because if you had a matte top coat, that's what you would do. You would put another layer on there. So I just do another layer because I don't want to mess up anything. So that when I'm shaving off, it's not doing that. But if you had a matte top coat, you would just put it on there. And that would be that. So you make it matte. We're just going to say that this is it. You make it all the way matte, all the way everywhere. Because I don't have a matte gel top coat, this is what we do. It's our cheap way. And when you're done, when the foundation has come out of the lamp, it's going to be a little sticky. You want to take a piece of your napkin and dip it in your alcohol. And then it'll take off, you'll wipe it across there, and it'll take off that, I don't even know what you call that, but it's just like a sticky, tacky layer. Which is what people use to adhere like gold foil and stuff like that. But what color we're taking we're going to use an alcohol ink to do this trick. Many people have like products already made to where they don't have to use alcohol inks, but we're going to be cheap and we're going to use this because I got this from Joann's in a pack of like 3 of these. So like 2 packs gave me 6 different colors, and I got all these different colors here. So that means I have all those different colors, plus you can mix them and make them other colors, which is great for me because I'm not a professional, so I cannot order a lot of those things and get the little discount that the professionals get. So this is my little cheap way of doing that. So I'm taking the crimson color, so I can stop talking so much because we're already 4 minutes in. I'm taking the crimson color, and I'm taking this waxy paper. This waxy paper is actually from my nail tips. I just saved the paper and use it for this type of thing. So I already put a little dot right there, and you see I already started. So this is alcohol in here, but it's just been dyed from the alcohol ink. I use 91% alcohol, if y'all can see that. And I just get these from like Wendy's and stuff like that. They have like those little, by the ketchup, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm taking this brush from a cart. It's a brush and picker. The picker's on this side, but I just want to use the brush. So I'm taking the brush. It's already been dyed with a little bit of red because I already been trying to use it. But that's okay because that's the color we're using. So I'm taking it. And I'm going to dip in the already red color because that's the color I'm using. But yours will be clear if you're starting from the beginning. And you're taking your ink. You can use any brush. My aunt got me these brushes. So you can use those brushes or you can use these brushes. Any brushes you want. But I'm using these.
So I'm going to take a little bit. This is how I started the one that I have. Need a little bit more ink. I just did like this. Of course, no watercolor is going to be the same because it just doesn't happen like that ever. So that's how I'm going to start it. I'm going to wipe off my brush. And then I'm gonna dip a little bit more in there. I want to get my brush a little bit wet, tap it off a little bit, and just put little dots of it. You can't really see me doing that, but what I'm doing is just tapping, which is making it spread. And I do a small strip because you see how it's just spreading all over the nail. I love this method so much. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm going to take a little bit more because that's just the vibe I'm feeling right now. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. That's so pretty. And that's really how you do it. Honestly, that's how you do it. You can keep going and make it as wide as you want. It's really just, you know, up to the artist on how they want to do it. But of course, it's more trial and error. So if you want to just like take a whole bunch of nails that you already prepped and then just try out different styles, you can do that. Or you can just keep scrapping one of your nails and doing that. That works too. So what I'm going to do with this is let it dry a little bit. And then once it's dried, I will put my top coat on just to seal it. And you want to get like a thick glob of that top coat so it doesn't, like, you don't want this ink to touch anything because it is inky. Even your hand, like, you don't want the ink to get on you because it's a dye. It's a true dye. So we're 10 minutes in and I think I'm done with the video. I'm probably gonna shorten it, but yeah, that's one of them done. Okay, you guys, so it's done. I think this is gonna be the only one I'm gonna show you guys for today. I'm sorry if you guys want to see something else, but my camera is acting weird. The camera on my phone is acting weird. So that's what it turned out. I love it. I haven't put the top coat on because I kind of like it matte and it's so pretty. But that's how it would look if I put the top coat on and then matted it with the what do you call it? with the foam block. I love this so much. Like, it's literally my favorite type of thing. Like, look at that on a nail. Like, so pretty. Like, look at that. I don't really have it on there. I have it like stuck with the stuff on it. But like, look at that. Okay, imagine me having these long nails. Like, all of these being this long. That's crazy. But that's so pretty. Thanks for watching. Please go watch some other videos. Thank you for watching this one. Please like, subscribe, and comment. All that jazz. Bye.